That's what it sounds like with no sound deadening. Hollowy, rattly. We're gonna fix that. Today I'm going to be doing something that will completely transform my car, installing quality Dynamat sound deadening. This is super important, especially with EV builds, because we don't have that loud engine, so we need something to cover up the sounds of the road. This guy is gonna be like putting in a luxury sound system before you even put the sound system in. Let's just get started. So these grid lines are here for a reason. You don't need a marker or anything. Must-have tool right here. Here's what makes Dynamat Xtreme so good. It's super thin, but it packs a serious punch. So to finish up these edges, I'm going to be using some Dynamat, which is just going to give it a more professional, clean look. Hear how it sounds solid? That's what you want. Here's where the science gets really cool. Dynamat Xtreme is all about improving the acoustic loss factor, which basically means how well a material absorbs vibration. For example, like plain steel has a super low loss factor, like 0.01, but with Dynamat that shoots up to 0.417 at room temperature, which is a huge difference. Hear that? That's quality right there. This is gonna be freaking awesome in my car. And that's it for Dynamat Xtreme. Huge shout out to Dynamat for making such an amazing product. And if you're just restoring a car like me or building a custom ride, or you just want like a quieter drive, I can't recommend this enough. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one. Keep on tinkering.